In this video, we're going to see what Mona's got to say about the weekend that she just spent in Grouse Lodge, attending this event that we have organized together with Daksha Patel, who is the lady in purple that you can see in the photograph. She is an NCS trainer, Neurochange Solutions. Dr. Joe Dispenza's work in principle designed for the corporate world, but that can be applied to any person who wants to change the results that you're seeing every day in your life. I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's listen to Mona, because she uses her words so well. It's amazing.
So I would recommend anybody to come to Grouse Lodge, particularly in early January. It's a course that will enlighten you, enrich you, center you. It's the work of Joe Dispenza, which, if you know who he is, it's a no-brainer to come to any of his work, any of his weekends. But particularly to have it here in Ireland with the trainer and with the energy that is specifically here in the ancient grounds of Grouse Lodge. So I can't recommend it enough. For me, I am taking away a wealth of knowledge to change my life and enhance other people's lives. And wow, the emotion is flying up. To enhance the collective energy here and to share the divine gifts that I have to share. And this just cemented that for me. Wow, beautiful.
Yes, absolutely beautiful.